how to log in to Webster Bank's business online banking account. Now in order to do that, just simply open your browser, then search for Webster Bank in there. Then this first link of websterbank.com will appear, where if you look at a little bit downwards, you will get to see the option of business online banking. Select business online banking and it will lead you to the official website of Webster Bank. Now here you just simply need to scroll down by a little bit and you will get to see the option of account logins. Now you just simply need to select the option of online banking. Tap to online banking, and after tapping in there, it will open another site in here, where you just simply need to enter your user ID at the very top and your password in second. After entering both your user ID and password correctly, tap to log in button, which will be enabled. After that, your business online banking in Webster Bank account will successfully be logged in. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.